Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the device. Make sure you can change system network settings and that you've backed up contacts and APN values. Once done, enable airplane mode to halt radios, then go straight to cellular or mobile network settings. Make sure you identify the SIM slot and carrier name so you can target the right configuration. Next, disable mobile data and turn off data roaming. These immediate steps reduce network activity while you apply persistent changes. You now make changes that prevent reconnection. First, switch network operator from automatic to manual and deliberately avoid selecting any carrier. Leave it unregistered. Once done, set preferred network type to the least common option like 2G only, which often prevents LTE/3G registration. Then edit the APN for the active SIM. Replace the name or APN host with an obviously invalid string, or remove the APN entirely. This blocks data handshake. You finish by making the state persistent and verifying results. Reboot the device so the settings take effect. On restart, check the status bar for no service or not registered to network. Test by placing a call and sending a text. Also try browsing to confirm data is blocked. If the network persists, remove the SIM and retest, then reset network settings. As a final troubleshooting step, you can restore backed-up APN values or perform a factory reset only if absolutely necessary.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.